What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We got the G back. Yes, it's filthy as hell. I talked to the guy that worked on it. He told me everything seems fine with the whole traction control BS, but apparently the sensors are working separately. They're supposed to work together. I don't know how we're gonna fix that. He said to talk to the person that did the wiring harness or whatever, but I mean, I don't know. But anyways, we're not here for that today. We are actually changing the alternator on this thing. It's been gone to shit for a while now, and I just pulled the trigger on one. They are not cheap. I was gonna pay almost the same thing for a remanufactured one as a OEM one, so I just want to have it with the OEM. And yeah, we're doing that right now. Well, not right now, but yeah, you get it. So it shouldn't, you know, I'm not even gonna say anything. I always jinx myself with this. So we will go for it and see how it goes. Hope for the best. All right, so let's disconnect your battery for safety, you know. And I think there's 3 or 4 bolts that are holding it. Here it is. They don't catch reservoirs on the way, but hopefully that's not gonna be a problem. I hope. Yeah. Here we got this port back here. Yeah, that's probably like a. Here, it's like a 12, I think. And then you got this guy, this guy. I know there's another one on the top. That's gonna be a interesting one because it's a pretty long one, so we'll see. Hopefully we don't have to take too much out because that'd be a pain in the ass. So yep, let's get to it. And for the belt, there's this tensioner right here. You use a ratchet there depending on the size, and then it'll line up right here. This two line up, and then you'll be able to take it off. So shouldn't be too bad. All right, so once you take the belt out, this right here, like right on the bottom part right here, you probably can't see it, you'll be able to see the top bolt for the alternator. That's the longest guy, I think. Hopefully I have enough clearance here because I don't want to have to take the radiator fan off. That's gonna be a pain in the butt. But yeah, you can kind of see it right here, and just go from there. So here's what I was talking about. These Nissan engineers definitely don't care about people. I have the slim fans, and it just now kind of like went in there. But if you had like OEM ones, you'd be in for a treat. Yeah, I might be in for a treat myself because I'm gonna see how much I can put this shit inside. Take it out. Like, this ain't fun. Shit. Alright, I'll get back to you guys. See how I take it out. Well, 2 seconds later, it's out. I just pushed the fans in as much as I could and got it out. But it's gonna be a pain in the ass to put it back in, I'll tell you that much. Let's put it there, and then it'll still have the 2 or 3 on the bottom, and should be on to better things. All right, there's another one on the top right in there, so you gotta get the tensioner together and have something to hold it, because otherwise you won't be able to get to it. I already took one of the ones on the bottom out. They are, I think it's like 13 millimeters. See, that one's out. Just gotta get the one on the top, and hopefully it'll come out. And then after that, I'll have to deal with, probably have to take this can out to be able to remove it from here because it's tight everywhere else. So yep, quite the job for sure. All right, so we're out with the old, in with the new, and then I did have to take the reservoir out. Like I said, there was no other space to take it out from, so yeah, now to put everything back on here sure isn't fun. Hopefully it's easier this way. But yeah, I got it from C1. It's brand new, so you can see. And hopefully we won't have to do this again. Alright, well, the new alternator's on. Everything's back on. And for this, to like release the tensioner, you use the ratchet. Like I said, it hooks up right here on the bottom. And then this, once it's like that, it's already tightened and everything's good. So yeah, was probably longer than I expected it. I mean, actually I didn't have any expectations, because usually when you think a 5-10 minute job, it's gonna take you that long. It takes you way longer. But yeah, that's that. Next thing for this, it's probably gonna need a tune-up, and then I'm talking to a tuner to go get a retune, so hopefully we can do that. And yeah, good morning guys. Hopefully everybody's doing great. This video, it's an addition to another one that I already started. The one that I already started, as you already probably saw, that was about the G35, the alternator. And today we are doing something for the Q50. So some of you might know, or very few of you might know, that I got into a little fender bender with the Q50. Yeah, it was my fault. I was coming out of a car wash from watching it, and at a light there was this person that I thought I was gonna go because it was turning right, and so I was looking to the left, making sure there was nobody coming, and then I kept moving forward. And then once I moved my head back to the front, like look forward, and it was too late. They were still there, so I ended up rear-ending them. Their car wasn't really damaged at all. I wasn't planning on making a video of it because my car didn't get a whole lot of damage, but I'll show you guys a couple pictures now. And so I had to end up getting the bumper. I took my car to the guy that painted this car, and he said that he could fix the bumper, and so I had to get a new grill and a new emblem. So I was waiting for the emblem to get here, well, to the dealership, because that's where I got it from. So that's what we're gonna go ahead and do now, and then go ahead and take it over to him. So come with me, and hopefully you guys enjoy. Like a dream.
should have left this car home. I think I just washed it yesterday, bro. Come on. Looks like it's gonna rain all day. Look at this wannabe fast guy. I got a Subaru with a blown head gasket. Anyway, we're getting there. Slowly but surely. And then I don't have AC on here, so gotta keep the windows somewhat cracked so we don't fog up. Lovely stuff. I've been here way too many times, way more than I would have liked, but hey, the guys here take care of me, so can't complain. Let's see how this goes, because I know it's an expensive ass part, so we'll see. All for the emblem here. Back. All right, we are back. We got our parts here. Not gonna show you guys how much it was, but just know it was an infinity part. And Kyle, if you're watching this, they said to come back because they fucking need you. If you know, you know. This place, it's kind of dead, but back to take the part to the man to get that car back. So I'll see you guys. Appreciate you as always. Infinity. And if you want to be rich, don't get an Infinity or into cars, because they are pricey. Look at this thing. Anyways, this actually looks like higher grade plastic than the one I had before. I mean, it is obviously more too, but it's like the little things too, though. Like, you get what you pay for. So hopefully this I won't have to ever change it again, and then that it won't lose color, because the other one was losing color. But yeah, cool stuff, I guess. Well, package has been delivered. I said probably by noon it might be done, so we'll see. Hopefully we don't have to deal with this BS anymore. We got a bunch of go fast cars here, like always. Shit, can't drive for shit, bro. Can't drive for shit. Anyways, hit you guys back up once we get the call. Alright, so you guys saw, car's back, everything's replaced. Got a new girl, new emblem. He just fixed the bumper because it was only damaged on this side here, and this side was fine, so yeah. And he actually redid the clear coat on the carbon over here, on the mirrors, the little spoiler, and the trunk tire. The light, it's still the LED, which is nice. It lights up. It's actually on right now, you just can't really tell. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. It's finally looking how it should. And hopefully we don't have any more problems. Hopefully, fingers crossed, because I've been spending way too much money on this damn thing. So yeah, that's probably gonna be a wrap now. I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing edited, and hopefully have it out soon for you guys. Make sure, like I said before, go to the description, get some merch, like, comment, subscribe, and then I'll see you guys on the next one.